Century, we're all avatars, taras and maras, yet good and evil invert so you can see through the curses. We reap the hurts of the people that nurse us. Be meek, let your worth be a secret. Seek your purpose deep in the earth's deepest recesses. Then breathe lessons to your kindred. Please don't let them be hindered by elitist threats. They'll reap winter when they meet their deaths. I speak possessed, but it's not by demons or devils. Yet I need them to meddle with me sometimes to lift me to the sunshine. One rhyme is a quasar.
Shalom. We are reading Proverbs 20, verse 27. And it states, "The spirit of man is a lamp of the Lord, searching out all the inward parts." Now, to me, this is a direct pointing to what you are, but I can see how it can be easily skipped over. Also in the Quran, it says something similar, that God, it says he has knowledge of the innermost thoughts of men. It says, it also says it in the scriptures, or in the Bible, should I say. But the Quran says God has knowledge of the innermost thoughts of men. Proverbs says the spirit of man is a lamp of the Lord, searching out all the inward parts of man. Okay, so this is a direct pointing to seek what you are. What is it in you that knows the inward parts of your being? What is it that knows the thoughts, the feelings, the urges, all the inner parts? What is that? There's a saying that this light is brighter than 1,000 suns. Okay, because it is. The sun only lights up the so-called physical world. And that sun cannot know darkness, because when the sun shines, there is no darkness. But this spirit of man not only lights up darkness, it also lights up things such as thoughts, feelings, emotions. The scriptures compare God to light. The spirit of man is light that is of the Lord. The Lord is every center of light, is the essence of every supposed being that's walking around. The center of every being that is walking around is this light of the Lord. See, when we search for the Creator, we have been searching for Him outwardly and objectively. Might think He's up above space, sitting on a throne. Maybe He's on another planet, waiting for you to die. See, we have been looking away from ourselves the whole time. Search what that spirit is that knows all things about you. Try to figure out what that is. Or figure out the nature of it. What's its nature? Give some attributes about it. Not to yourself. And don't use your mind, because the mind will never... the mind cannot comprehend it. It's when you have no mind, when you rest in silence. That's why in Psalms 40, I believe it says, "Be still and know that I am God." Be still. Because the silent presence that even these words right now arise out of, and then when they stop, they fall back into that silent lamp or light that knows all things. It knows when a sound is being heard, because the sound arises out of it, and dives back into it. And knows when a thought is being seen, because that thought arises out of it and dives back into it. Same with the feelings. Same with images. The spirit of man is the lamp of the Lord. This scripture right here is telling you to search within. Shalom.